Hello everyone, I am Saiteth and welcome back to my channel Saiteth. In today's video, I'll try to do the battery draining test on the OnePlus Nord 2 device, which is overnight battery draining test. So how much the battery will be decreased in the overnight? That is what I'm going to exactly show you in the OnePlus Nord 2. This is a test I'm trying to do after the recent software update. Yes, just yesterday only I did receive the software update, and a lot of people they did ask me a couple of things. How is the camera and how is the 4G, and I'll be testing everything. So one by one. So let's see in this video how is the battery backup, how much battery is draining overnight. So after the recent software update. Let me show you the screenshot which I have taken yesterday before night sleeping. So as you can see friends, right now the time is about night about 12:35. So at the midnight 12:35 I did take the screenshot, and battery percentage was about 83% as you can see, and you can see the time as well, screen on time and everything. And the morning, in the morning I did wake up so early. I think around maybe 6 or 7 o'clock, but still I did not use the OnePlus Nord 2. So meanwhile you can see the how much battery decrease. So 3% got dropped for about I think close to 9 hours of time, maybe. As you can see, 7 hours used since last and 16 hours. So maybe you can consider as 9 hours of time. So in 9 hours 3% got dropped in my phone, and during this time I am using only one single SIM card, and there is no background applications running. So everything I cleared before sleeping, everything I cleared. As you can see, everything is clean, and there is no live wallpaper also running, nothing at all. This is my complete usage I'm trying to mention, because if you're trying to use the OnePlus Nord 2, you should know how much battery is draining in my unit and how much battery you are experiencing draining, because I'm receiving plenty of comments on the battery draining, because they are getting a lot of battery draining issues, like 10% is decreasing overnight. So it should not happen, because I'm not using any kind of power saving mode during this time. And you can see the screen on time as well, it's not increased at all. So I did not even use the phone. So 1 hour 50 and 1 hour 50 only I'm getting, that's it. Even right now I can definitely show you the battery. As you can see, 1 hour 52. Only for the video demonstration only it increased by 2 minutes, that's it. So this is a quick review friends on the OnePlus Nord 2 regarding the battery draining overnight after the recent software update in this phone. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video friends. Let me know in the comment section below how much of percentage your phone is getting drained overnight. Maybe for 10 hours and 9 hours, just calculate. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, bye.